Okay, welcome back. What I want to look at is preventative maintenance, okay? Basically. Now, preventative maintenance. Preventative maintenance, okay? And what we're looking at, preventive maintenance and the technician, preventative maintenance and the electrostatic discharge, preventive maintenance for computer peripherals, etc., etc., okay? Now, I'm not going to read this out to you, but this is for you to read for yourselves, okay? The main goal of any preventive maintenance program is to preempt problems before they happen, okay? Tools and equipment. Every technician toolbox should contain the basic tools, okay? And here we have a wide range of tools in a simple kit. You need a multi-tester. Tool set should include a meter, which is a measuring device. A digital multimeter is better. Tools and equipment. Now engineers used to carry a 25-pin D-shell connector, okay? You probably don't know, but the idea just goes to show you how technology has improved and we move on with that technology. This is just to provide you with information as it once were, okay? Okay. Environmental guidelines, what to do with the old computers or parts. Can they simply be placed in the garbage bin so that they are hauled to the landfill and buried? Maybe not. Legally, computers and peripherals contain some environmentally unfriendly materials and these need to be disposed of carefully. Okay? Okay. Environmental guidelines for server room. Never put the server against duct work too hot or next one to air conditioner too cold, okay? The rest I'll leave for you to read for yourselves, okay? At your leisure. Don't need me to read it out to you. Here, too much humidity in the air and the moisture can damage the server electronic components. Too dry and the environment can be subject to electrostatic discharge, ESD. Okay, now you don't want electrostatic discharge because if you touch anything, you're going to get a massive electric shock, okay? And that you don't want because that could damage your computer or your servers. For the disposal of hazardous materials, batteries often contain rare earth metals that can be harmful to the environment, etc. So they need to be disposed of properly at all times. Monitors, etc., lasers, solvent and other liquid cleaning materials must be properly categorized and disposed of properly, okay? Okay, material safety and data sheet is a fact sheet that summarizes information, okay? You can read the rest for yourself, don't need me to take that there for you. MSD material safety data sheet. Okay, that's just what it looks like. Nothing more to do on that, okay? Preventative maintenance, sorry, preventative maintenance and electrostatic discharge. You can see here, my man is getting electrified, okay? He's having a shocking time. Static electricity is the buildup of an electric charge resting on a surface. Okay, here now, for a person to feel an ESD, there must be at least 3000 volts buildup. If the discharge causes pain or makes a noise, then the charge was most likely above 10,000 volts. Okay, so treat electrical discharge seriously. We have anti-static bags which you can use, okay, for your own purpose and for your benefit. Grounding wrist straps, especially when you're dealing on electronics, because you do not want to get those transistors damaged in any way. Compressed air, okay. Grounded work, etc. Now you can tell this is an American developed worksheet because where do you see these plugs? In America mainly. Okay. Okay, right, grounding, okay, grounded workbench, okay. As you know that your workbench should be grounded. And it tells you here a good work area should be made safe with anti-static tiles, etc., where possible, okay. Okay, and just showing you, telling you to keep your monitor clean because that too can also develop static charges on the screen due to the dust. Okay. Okay. Just my telling you to keep it clean, nothing more for me to say here. This is for you to read yourselves, okay? Keyboard, etc. Okay. Cleaning printers when working with dot and matrix printers, clean and the roller, etc., etc. Okay. Scanners. Okay. Nothing more to do with this, just for information only, okay? And here it tells you about antivirus, okay? And firewalls, etc. Okay, no need for me to talk. Blackout, look at to say anything more on this. But here I can just refer to blackouts, brownouts, sags are a drop in power, etc. Okay. Noise, power issues could be noise, spikes, power surge. So you use anti-surge plugs where possible. Okay. time to wait before sending a warning. Clients appears in a server environment, okay. Okay. And this is your summary that we've covered, okay. Thank you. Okay, I hope you found this useful. Have a good day. Bye bye.